Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a princess with a Caticorn and a butterfly. Firstly, I draw a princess. I start with her eyes. I draw her hair. And also a beautiful crown. Trying to draw and paint with me. I draw her arms. And I'm drawing her beautiful dress. She is so pretty. Now I draw a Caticorn right here. Finally, I draw a butterfly. Good job! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. I start with orange. I use yellow for her crown. Light pink. Cream. I use cream color for her skin. Dark pink. She's wearing a wonderful dress. Awesome! Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you! Light pink. Red. Green. Blue. Purple.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step.
Amazing! She looks very well. See you on the next video.